Think it's better for nightlife? Yeah, thanks. No, I really like your structured face. Appreciate the follow. You have a very nice structured face.
That is such a
Yeah, you kind of look like Margot Robbie. Yeah, you have a nice Gonian angle, with a very balanced mid face and a nice zygomatic arch.
What's his name? Oh my god.
You have a nice zygomatic arch too.
Less looks max. Less looks max. More dumb shit. More dumb shit.
Yeah. But
Beautiful eyes.
yeah, no, I mean, honestly, I really like your eyes, and like, I just want to say what's up. He said you have beautiful eyes. You want to say thank you? We both have beautiful eyes. We're both A10 moggers. Look at
You're
this.
not fucking with y'all, gang?
We're both Slavic. We're both Slavic.
I'm literally hearing this.
We're Slavic moggers. So like Polish.
So are you like copying him? Is that like you're like
Copying who?
what's his name?
Oh, me and him were in the trenches. We were both in the looksmax.org trenches.
Oh, you and Clav were both in the trenches?